AZCO Corp designed and manufactured a cut-to-length system with slitter and stacker. Material comes from the customer's process and goes over a set of idler rollers and a dancer assembly. Splice table enables this to be a continuous process. Roll feed pulls the material from the customer's process. An edge guide system guides the material so it lines up with the slitter station. Shear cut slitter station slits the material into strips. Edge trim is removed from the process. The material goes over a set of idler rollers and into the cut-to-length station. A set of grippers places the cut product into a stacking tray. Please give us a call to discuss your application.